start your day? I always put my health first in my priority. A new day and a fresh start with a glass of water made by the mineral maker. I believe Mineral Maker takes care and completes my overall health. Mineral Maker turns my boring water into rich magnesium mineral water. I feel the difference when drinking the rich magnesium mineral water, a definite booster for the day. Also, the app allows me to drink as much water as I need per day. I believe it's the best and easy way to take care of our own health. Magnesium mineral water is known to reduce body fat as well as relieve symptoms of atopic dermatitis. Also, beneficial effects on constipation, diabetes, and lowering blood sugar levels for diabetics. Mineral Maker for the whole day.